Hello guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'll discuss about the trade I took. जो हमने गोल्ड पे बाय का ट्रेड लिया था, उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप I will describe. And by end of this video, you will understand मेरा thought process क्या था behind this trade and how price action gave me confidence to enter this trade. So let's get into this now. Before going into the chart, there are things that we have to understand. So कल interest rate आया and then Fed has reduced the interest rate by 50 basis point. That means gold should move up. So coming into the charts today, my bias, मेरा जो bias था वो bullish था. So I was bias bullish होना मतलब I was looking to take buy trades, right? So let's go back here. So 11 बजे मैं चार्ट्स के सामने आया to mark my levels. So at 11 what I can see was what I was seeing was कि यहाँ पे एक अप ट्रेंड में मार्केट ने एक सपोर्ट बनाया था and we had a resistance here, right? So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, मार्केट ने एक सपोर्ट बनाया, we have break, price has broken out of the resistance और ऊपर चला गया. Now at this point I cannot take, though we have clean candles to the left, but I cannot take a buy here because market already 50 pip move किया था. So at this point I was waiting for price to come down, create a support and then go up. So what happened, price went up. So at this point I was basically just waiting for price to retrace, right? So this was the 12 p.m. candle was the first candle जहाँ जो 30 मिनट पे एक bearish candle close हुआ था. Now at this point I went down to 15 minutes to see कि यहाँ पे कोई structure बन रहा है कि नहीं. Now 15 मिनट में भी यहाँ पे जैसे structure बना था same structure 15 मिनट में बन रहा था. So we had a support here and we had a resistance here. Now we are in a uptrend और market ने एक support बनाया है. There is higher probability market will go up, but at the same time candle has closed below this resistance. That means we need a candle to close above this resistance, right? So मैंने क्या किया, so I was waiting for a 15-minute candle to close above this resistance. Now so जैसे next candle print हुआ, right, 12:30 वाला, 12:30 का कैंडल ने 12:30 के कैंडल ने क्या किया, इट went up and closed above this resistance. Now if the next candle wicks down and then breaks this high, there is high probability market will go up. So what I did was, जब ये कैंडल रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर क्लोज हुआ, I waited for next candle. See, this is not tick by tick simulation, right? So यहाँ पे direct नहीं दिखेगा, but what I did was I waited for price candle to come down, wick down and then go up. तो जो मार्केट ने विक बनाया था नेक्स्ट कैंडल ने बिफोर ब्रेकिंग द हाइज वाज अराउंड 15 पिप्स. सो ऑलमोस्ट 16-17 पिप पे मेरा स्टॉप लॉस था एंड आई वाज टारगेटिंग 1:2 ish. This was my TP. Now let's look at the next candle. So next candle ने क्या किया, एक लोअर विक बनाया और जैसे ही इस कैंडल ने हाई प्रीवियस कैंडल के हाईज ब्रेक करने लगे, आई एंटर्ड अ बाय एंड दिस ऑलमोस्ट मूव्ड 20 पिप्स, राइट. तो मैंने यहाँ पे 16 पिप में 1:1 में एग्जिट कर लिया. वाई, बिकॉज आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग, सिंस हम इतना ज़्यादा ऊपर मूव किए थे, I was not very confident or I was expecting price to come down, create a support and मतलब एक deeper liquidity grab करके market ऊपर जाएगा. That is what I was expecting. So I closed at 1:1. So this was my thought process, दिस वॉज माई एंटायर थॉट प्रोसेस बिहाइंड दिस ट्रेड. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगा तो hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, as I will be bringing more such real time trade breakdowns, chart breakdowns, right? And if you have any question regarding support resistances or price action, trading fundamentals, anything trading related, just drop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.